everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there with my channel, Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today I have something new, a new recipe. I will do a Moroccan couscous. Everyone knows the famous dish of Morocco, couscous. But today I'm gonna share with you my recipe, a healthy couscous. I'm gonna use quinoa for this recipe, quinoa with head. You will really love it. Stay with me, let's do it together. For this delicious healthy recipe, I'm gonna use quinoa as I told you before. And for my vegetables, I need 1 tomato, half onion, then 1 zucchini, cabbage, pumpkin, carrots, and I will use today as a meat chicken breast. You will really love this recipe. So let's start. So in a hot pan, olive oil, then I will add my onion, then tomato, I have something optional, chickpeas. In the Moroccan couscous really recipe, we put chickpeas. Just small information for my chickpeas, I put them in the water for the whole night. You can already prepare them before and put them in your fridge if you want. Now, time to add my spices. I will need curcuma, beautiful, 1 spoon, black pepper, then salt. Because we will add water. A little bit of ginger powder. So my ginger powder here. Then just give it a little bit stir. Great. Now I'm gonna add water because I will need water for my vegetables. At this time I'm gonna put my carrots because they need much time to cook. So I have here my quinoa. We will give it a good wash using our hands. Perfect. So to have a fluffy quinoa, it's easy. 1 part quinoa, 2 parts water. Here I have 1 cup quinoa and 2 cups of water. Easy. Hot water, and then like that. Wanna give it a little bit stir. And then we will keep it for 15 minutes. We will cover it and then in 15 minutes we will see you. Here my chicken breast. So we put a little bit of olive oil, a little bit salt, then a bit pepper. Perfect. Then a bit fresh thyme, a little bit massage. We'll cover it and then we'll put it in the oven. You know already how to make it. We saw it in many recipes. I'm gonna add at this time a little bit parsley with coriander. I will move it later. Just put it like that, just for the taste. Now I'm gonna add cabbage and zucchini. For pumpkin, I will let it more 10 minutes. Then I will add pumpkin. As I told you, then I will add my pumpkin. Ah, vegetables, perfect here. 15 minutes. Here is the result for my quinoa, fluffy quinoa. Just use a fork like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it, a little bit salt. Yes. Then I will take it to another level. I'm gonna add dry oregano. Yes, I'm gonna add some dry oregano. Take it to another level. I give it a little bit stir. Here I have thyme, fresh thyme, because these herbs will give it the freshness. Like that, we will have special couscous. Really, you will love this recipe. So, my fluffy quinoa is ready. Now, time to serve. Our couscous is ready. So, continue to make a little bit decoration like that. A little bit sauce. Now it's a perfect gluten-free vegetarian lunch. You can have it like that if you are vegetarian. I'm gonna add some meat, as you see before, my chicken breast. Our delicious, our healthy quinoa couscous with herbs. You will really love this recipe. I hope you will try it at home, and I'm waiting your feedback. See you next time, another video, another recipe, and bye bye.